Welcome to the world of serverless databases. These are pay-per-use database services, modern cloud databases that scale automatically and charge based on actual usage. So, what exactly are serverless databases? By definition, they are cloud databases that automatically manage infrastructure, scaling, and maintenance without the need for server provisioning. Some of the key characteristics include no server management, automatic scaling, pay-per-usage billing, and zero maintenance overhead. Let's explore the key benefits of using serverless databases. Firstly, they offer cost efficiency, as you only pay for the actual database usage and the storage consumed. Secondly, they provide auto-scaling, automatically scaling up or down based on application demand. They facilitate faster development so you can focus on application logic instead of database infrastructure. Finally, they require zero operations, eliminating the need for patching, backups, or any maintenance tasks. Here are some popular serverless database services that are available today. Under the Amazon Web Services umbrella, we have DynamoDB, which is a NoSQL document and key-value database, and Aurora Serverless, which is a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database. From other providers, we have Firebase Firestore, which is Google's NoSQL document database, and Azure Cosmos DB, which is Microsoft's multi-model database service. Let us take a look at the pay-per-use pricing model. The pricing components typically include read and write requests, the data storage used, data transfer, and compute resources. The cost advantages of this model include no upfront costs or minimum fees, it can scale to zero when not in use, has predictable pricing based on usage, and there is no over-provisioning waste. Serverless databases can be used in a variety of use cases and applications. They are beneficial for startups and minimum viable products, as they provide quick development with minimal infrastructure setup and low initial costs. They are suitable for event-driven applications or applications with unpredictable traffic patterns and sporadic usage. They can be used as mobile backends that support mobile applications with variable user activity. They also lend themselves to prototyping or rapid development and testing of new application concepts. While there are several benefits, there are also key considerations and common limitations to serverless databases. Some key considerations include the cold start latency for infrequent access, the vendor lock-in with proprietary application programming interfaces, and the cost which can increase with high usage. Some common limitations are limited customization options, reduced control over the infrastructure, and performance monitoring challenges. In summary, serverless databases offer a modern approach to data management with automatic scaling, zero maintenance, and a pay-per-use pricing model that makes them ideal for dynamic applications. They are cost-effective, offer auto-scaling, and have zero maintenance. They are perfect for startups, prototypes, and event-driven applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.